In some previous videos, we reviewed the TM3267E and TXG S24 compact tractors from Iseki. But you asked for something a little bit bigger. Well, I have some good news because today, behind me, we have 55 horses to play with, and it comes in the form of the Iseki TLE 4550. As standard, it has 3-point linkage, a drawbar for towing, a manual gearbox with forward and reverse shuttle, road homologation kit, 4-wheel drive and diff lock, comfortable sprung seat, front weight carrier, a 4-cylinder diesel engine, 1200 kilogram lift capacity, colour-coded controls, a double-acting spool, and foldable ROPS. So I believe it is that time where we start her up, put her in gear, and go and hitch up something on the back so we can put this beauty into some work. So we've hitched up our 6-foot topper and we're off to give my field its last cut of the year, mainly to remind the grass who's in charge and the rushes that they've outstayed their welcome. So a little bit of a change of plan because I went to top my field, we got there, and my neighbour's cows had broken into the field and eaten all the grass. So I rang my neighbour and said, as your cows have eaten my grass, can I come and top some of yours? So here we are. Now, a lot of people asked in previous videos what size tractor they would need to run a 6-foot rotary topper. Well, now's your chance to find out. So this is the Iseki TLE 4550, the Jack Russell Terrier of compact tractors, as it punches way above its weight. It's built tough, born to work, and looks absolutely brilliant. On paper, it might be classed as a compact tractor, but don't let that fool you. Under the sleek blue bonnet sits a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine producing 55 horsepower. It's stage 5 compliant, super smooth, producing huge bottom end torque at only 2,600 RPM, and built with that bulletproof Iseki reliability that's made them famous all around the world. Everything on this tractor has been made to last, from the cast iron front axle to the heavy duty rear end. And the transmission? Not your crunchy traditional box where finding a gear is a celebration. No, this is a smooth 12x12 left-handed shuttled gearbox. This means real control, proper pulling power, and a solid positive feel throughout every shift. And when you need traction, the TLE's 4550's got your back. It's got switchable 4-wheel drive, a mechanical differential, and a proper wet multi-plate clutch. That combination gives you genuine agricultural strength. Up on the platform, it's all about simplicity and comfort. A flat floor, well-positioned pedals, clear laid-out controls, everything's just where it should be. Your gear ranges are on the left, hydraulics on the right, and visibility is second to none. Whether you're loading, mowing, or reversing up to an implement, you've got perfect view all around. It's straightforward, intuitive, and built for operators who value practicality over gimmicks. Now, I'll be honest, it's a bit of a shame that I can only top that bit. Quite happily sit on this tractor and top the rest. It is such a comfortable tractor to sit on. It's just a nice place to be. You know, some people don't like not having a cab. It's quite nice to be out in the elements. Here we are, nearly November, we're cutting grass. The temperature is about 12 degrees, just lovely. Driving at the 3 miles home wasn't quite as much fun. But the good news is that tomorrow morning, we have got a very exciting job to do with this tractor. So for you, that is right now. We have come to a local dairy farm to use this tractor for the most common job it would probably be bought for, and that is to scrape out these passageways in these cubicles. Now, it's been about 20 years since I last done this job, so let's go and hitch up a scrape and see how we get on. Right, all hitched up, let's go scraping. Now let's talk about capability, because this is where the TLE 4550 really shines. At the rear, the category 1 3-point linkage lifts an impressive 1200 kilograms. That's plenty for everything over and above what this tractor has been designed for. It's fully compatible to fit a front loader, so you can fit buckets, grabs and pallet forks and turn this compact tractor into an even more versatile machine. If turf, sports grounds or even golf is more your thing, then the options include a mid-mounted PTO running at 2000 RPM to fit a mid-mounted mowing deck. And you've also got tyre options for every job, turf or agricultural. So whether you're maintaining fine lawns or tackling rougher terrain, this machine can be set up exactly how you need it. It's compact enough to manoeuvre in tight areas, yet feels stable, planted and confident no matter what surface you're on. Servicing is simple, the bonnet lifts high and clear and everything you need to check is right in front of you. Oil, filters, coolant, all within easy reach. It's designed to make maintenance quick and painless so you can spend more time working and less time tinkering. Hydraulics are another strong point. You've got a double acting spool valve as standard, with the option to add another for more demanding equipment. And with the hydraulic flow at 42 litres per minute, there's plenty of muscle for loaders, splitters and rear attachments that need good flow. The whole package comes together perfectly, compact size, big performance and the solid engineering that Iseki is known for. It's a tractor that bridges the gap between light turf work and serious agricultural jobs, making it ideal for estates, contractors, smallholders, golf courses and ground teams alike. The Iseki TLE 4550 isn't just another small tractor, it's a genuine workhorse in a compact frame. Powerful, reliable and built for real world jobs. If you want a machine that is as capable as it is dependable, this is it. Right, so that is that job done. I'm going to be honest, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I feel I've been missing out over the last 20 years since I last done that. So very, very happy. What a beast of a tractor. Handles this scrape absolutely perfectly. Didn't falter one bit. Obviously four-wheel drive, but the steering, the lock you've got on it is absolutely incredible. Very, very impressed. Shuttle on the side, great. I can't, at the moment, I can't find anything wrong. But let's get back the yard because I want to tell you something a little bit about this gearbox. Right, so we're back the yard, so I thought I'd just mention about the gears on this and the other options that are available on this tractor. Now, on a lot of compacts, you'll have sort of more of a standard H-pattern box where you've generally got 1, 2, 3 and reverse, and you've got like a high and a low range. But with this is just a little bit more, which I like. So you've got your standard sort of 1, 2, 3, 4 H-pattern gearbox there, and then on this lever here you've got your 1, 2, 3 different ranges. You've got high, low and medium, and then up here you've got your shuttle. So you'd have probably seen me in the scraping video, well, and possibly the topping video as well. You could dip the clutch back for reverse, dip the clutch forwards to go forwards. So it's a lot easier than other gearboxes that are on the market. Now, main reasons you would choose a manual box over a hydrostatic is for the fact of if you're doing sort of cultivation or in-ground work where you've really got to have something set at a certain speed. Hopefully that explains it a little bit more about what these have got going on inside. Now there's one more implement I need to put on the back of this tractor within this video to show you a very special feature that some of you eagle-eye viewers might have spotted. Now I've attached the gravity-fed 5-inch wood chipper on the back, not to see if this tractor will run it. We put it on behind two Iseki 25 horsepower tractors previously, but I want to use it to be able to show you a feature that this tractor has got, and then that is this little yellow button here, which is an external PTO engage and disengage button. So before on the other tractors, we've had to get on the seat, engage the PTO, jump off, whereas this, you can engage and disengage the PTO from outside. So if you're running wood chippers or saw benches or other items on the back, which you may not need to be sat on the seat to use, the button is right there. So let's fire it up and do a little bit of wood chipping. Whilst that tidied up, and then the trailer, handsome job. So there we have the Iseki TLE 4550, 55 horsepower, beautiful compact tractor with many possibilities. The things you can do with it on the back are endless, but what makes it are the finite details. Things like the PTO switch on the side, the color-coded levers, so that orange is for your gears, yellow is for your PTO, and grey is for your hydraulics, to make it clear and easy and concise. As I said, the gearbox is exemplary compared to everything else that is on the market, so I think it is definitely a winner in the compact tractor sector. So if you're looking for a mid-range compact tractor, then check out the Iseki TLE 4550. They've got a network of dealers who I'm sure would happily offer you a demonstration so you can try it yourself. The link is in the description below. We're Machinery Nation and bring you videos on machinery every single week. So check us out and we'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.